loves, and welcome to my channel, Ivanafacepaint. For those who don't know, my name is Ivana. I'm basically here to show you guys how to do face painting, special effects, makeup, regular everyday makeup, some glam makeup, just a little bit of everything. I will also be doing a little bit of DIY props. Most of the products that I use are very cheap and affordable. Everything that I do here is self-taught. My videos are going to be weird sometimes, they're going to be awkward, they're going to be fun, they might be boring, I don't know. You may not even learn anything from them, but even if you guys don't learn anything from me at all, I hope that you at least leave with a few laughs. More than anything, I am here to just have fun and hopefully inspire other artists to just come out of their shell, get out there, do your artwork, throw it out there in people's faces, and just be weird all the time.
Okay guys, I can't really talk with this thing on my mouth. Hopefully you can understand me.
Maybe start the eyes. I'm scared. Help. I got a nice little flap of skin there. Little flap. Alright, ignore me. Starting October 2nd, I will be releasing one video a week, every week, hopefully. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe, share the crap out of this video, guys, and help me build up these subscribers and followers. If you have any questions, concerns, or requests at any point, always leave a comment. If you have any drawings or artwork of your own that you would like for me to attempt to turn into a real character, might be a little bit scary, let me know, send me a picture or whatever, and I will try to get to that as soon as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.